3.15 A part, 6 lead acid type of secondary cells, each of EMF 2 volt and internal resistance 0.015 ohm are joined in series to provide a supply to a resistance of 8.5 ohm. What are the current drawn from the supply and its terminal voltage? B part. A secondary cell after long use has an EMF 1.9 volt and a large internal resistance of 380 ohm. What maximum current can be drawn from the cell? Could the cell drive the starting motor of a car? EMF of each cell 2 volt. So EMF of 6 cells equal to 12 volt as they are connected in a series. Internal resistance of each cell equal to 0.015 ohm. So internal resistance of 6 cells equal to 6 into 0.015, that gives 0.090 ohm. So we have a battery of 12 volt having internal resistance 0.09 ohm, and this is connected to the external resistance 8.5 ohm. We want to find the current drawn from the supply. We know that current is equal to EMF over external resistance plus internal resistance. So EMF is 12, external resistance is 8.5, internal resistance is 0.090. So it gives us 12 over 8.590, and it comes out to be 1.4 ampere. Now we want to find the external voltage of this battery, and we know that formula is V equal to terminal voltage equal to EMF of the cell minus current into resistance. Now EMF of cell is 12 minus current in the circuit is 1.4, internal resistance of the cells 0.090, and it gives us 11.9 volt. This is the terminal voltage of the battery. B part. EMF of the cell is equal to 1.9 volt. Internal resistance of the cell is equal to 380 ohm. We know that current drawn is I equal to epsilon R plus R. R is the external resistance, small r is the internal resistance. Current will be maximum when R is equal to 0. So we get epsilon over R. Here EMF is 1.9, internal resistance is 380. So we get 0.005 ampere current. The value of the current is very small. Motor of a car cannot be driven with this cell because it requires large current in a very short interval of time.